capture you. And who runs from the police? Guilty people flee. And guilty people flee. And that's an old saying.
Yes.
And let's see. Don Dusler.
Yes.
On Dwayne Francis.
He's out in the hall.
You want me to go out there?
You're nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we normally do. And everybody else needs to come in. So we don't have to go look for them. This is where the business is occurring. They are closer to Honeybee Ham down there, but
That sign's letting everyone know in the courtroom.
we need them in here.
He does say come in the courtroom now?
Yeah.
Says it on the door.
Oh, the other one said stay outside and wait.
Who is Dwayne Francis? Come forward. Two cases are called. 1437 and 1438. You were charged with third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle in 37, and in 38, the state jail felony of theft of property. So you're looking at up to 10 years in prison in one case and up to 2 years in the state jail in the other. Do you understand?
This
Yeah.
is an initial announcement. Again, I did it this morning. It's also my understanding.
It's a what announcement?
Initial.
Why is that? He was indicted a half a year ago.
I don't know, but I also
I
know
understand.
that there are two other new indictments that have just been filed against him. My understanding is that there are warrants out for him on those. So,
Oh,
so
he's going to be taken into custody.
we'd need to reset.
For what? For what
Two new
offense?
cases, thefts,
That's what
two new
I
theft
don't
cases.
understand it.
That didn't, I don't understand it either, but what we have to do is follow what the computer says. If there's a charge out,
There's,
we can't debate it because we don't have any information for it. We just know when there's an arrest warrant.
Turn
You
your
don't-
cell phone out.
You don't get into the way. Hang on. Let's see.
Judge, we gave you those files, Judge.
College of one, they told me there was nothing. Before I even came, I haven't been in any trouble.
What do you want me to say? Okay. Okay, but I'm not the grand jury who indicted
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah, okay. They say they have information here that these are two other state jail felonies of thefts.
What's that?
What was it supposed to?
It doesn't, the two new ones are not shown in the court document. I just wrote them down.
They were issued January 30th of this year.
Okay, just like a week
Just,
ago.
yeah.
Oh, not even that. Less than a week ago.
Okay. I've read what this is, what this says, and I would characterize the investigation here, the reports, as extremely thorough. They got you stealing trucks, selling trucks. It's not a debate. They got you. And then let's see, what is this other thing? They got you for a mulching head. That was stolen from Drainage District 6. You had no business having, and your story is, I got it from somebody and then I sold it. Somebody gave it to me and then I sold it. And then here's my favorite one here is you got caught running from the police, and they finally were able to capture you. And who runs from the police? Guilty people flee. And guilty people flee. And that's an old saying.
Yes.
And let's see. So yeah, they got you. And these are all on different occasions. But yeah, you and your attorney have your work cut out for you on this one. So this is what are his bonds in these new cases? You know?
I don't know if they've been set, Judge. Typically, they get set when he gets brought to the jail.
Well, they fell in my court now.
Well, we could set them now. We can go to the jail, but
What was criminal sheet? I need a criminal history sheet, please. What are his bonds in the other, in 1437 and 143A?
In 1437, his bond is $6,000. And 1438, his bond is $4,000.
Okay. I'm looking at a public safety report here. So printed on, this was printed in July of 24. Well, these are the good dates here. So a bond is posted for $6,000 for the evading arrest and detention on the defendant's behalf on July, looks like July 24th of 24. And also in 1438, I don't see a bond setting on that day, but that's also an indictment handed up in July, on July 10th. So 2 weeks later, he's posting a bond. Doesn't show when he posts a bond on this theft case, though. Does it show, please?
I'll show July 24th on the bond.
July 24th on both bonds? What's the second bond? How much is the theft?
1438.
Yeah.
The bond was posted, $4,000.
There's a,
On July 24th.
okay, there's a 6,000 and a 4,000.
Correct.
One of these is a third-degree felony, up to 10 years in prison. The other is a state jail felony. Thereafter, he is indicted in January, just the other day. And there are no bonds set on those
No, sir.
for the theft and for they're both state jail felonies of theft. And this is regarding the stealing of trucks. All right. Anybody want to be heard for?
Well, I think you need to definitely set bonds on the two new cases.
Yeah, it's got to
If
happen.
you're gonna adjust the ones on the other ones, you're not, it's your call. Okay.
No.
Go ahead.
Anything from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. These bonds are $75,000 on each case of the new ones. Plus, you're going to be in home confinement. You're not leaving because when you leave the house, you apparently get in trouble. You're going to have, you'll be on home confinement if you post these $75,000 bonds. And you must have a GPS device. You cannot leave the house except, are you going to interrupt all day, Mr. Interrupter? You get a chance to speak if you wish. I get the sense you like to butt in and control the situation. I think that may be a situation, that little personality of yours probably got you into these 4 felony problems. 75,000 on each case, home confinement. You must have a GPS device as a condition of bond. You cannot leave your house except for an emergency medical need, to see your lawyer or to see your bondsman. Do you understand? Do you live alone or with your mother or parent? With your mother?
Yes.
Okay. Well, she can get the food if necessary. You understand the orders of the court, sir. Anything else you want to add? This is your time. If you want to say something, everything's being typed.
Yes, sir. Can I let my job know what's going on? Or?
Yes. Yeah, you're gonna have to work that out.
Yes, sir.
But where are you employed?
I was trying to run heavy equipment for the city of Beaumont.
I'm sorry?
I was running heavy equipment for the city of Beaumont, but in the process.
Is that involved in these charges?
No, sir. I don't think so.
Kind of looks like it, but it doesn't say.
What was it? Drainage district? That was county
It's an
stuff.
employer
City.
involved in it.
And this was from, I think, February 24th when the offenses occurred.
All 4?
It's the last 2
We got
that's all.
trucks, and then there's something else different that's
Yes, sir.
going on with the trying to resell the drill head or something.
Looks like
different
February,
thing
May
altogether.
of 2024, what charges he is.
It would be my suggestion because they're going to find out about this. These are all public records.
Yes, sir.
You need to tell them what the status is, that you've been indicted.
Yes, sir.
You're presumed innocent unless you're found guilty, but they have a right to know because if they're out there letting you work and then let's say another truck gets stolen, somebody's going to say who was to blame there. Yeah, you can mumble all day long, but they've got GPS on you and they track you according to probable cause. They tracked you to the inch on this planet. So your lawyer will tell you all about it. That's all. You're taken into custody, sir. We're going to reset this for an announcement later. Thank you on these four. Thank you.